Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a real quick look at this Gen Y Torsion weight distribution shank. Now this shank is going to slide into your 2-inch trailer hitch receiver, and it's going to give you an attachment point for your weight distribution system's head assembly. And this is designed for use with most standard weight distribution systems on the market today. And this does have a gross towing weight of 10,000 pounds with a tongue weight of 1,100 pounds. This does feature 10 mounting positions for attaching your weight distribution head assembly, letting you level your trailer with your tow vehicle. This is going to give you a maximum drop of about 9.5 inches. Our holes are spaced apart at about 1 1/4 inches on center, and the holes are 3/4 of an inch. The hitch pin hole diameter is 5/8 of an inch. And so this shock absorbing design functions very similar to a torsion axle. And I have a cutaway here that I want to bring up here just to kind of give you an idea of what's actually going on inside. So let me put that there in place there just so you can see. So as you can see, built into this mount are tubes with inner bars that are surrounded by these rubber cords. And as the attachment points rise or fall, these inner bars are going to twist inside of the tubes, attempting to follow the motion of the vertical shank. But the rubber cords are going to prevent the bars from twisting too far. So as each bar turns, these cords are going to compress to absorb the shock. So what this means is that any shock experienced by your truck can be absorbed before it reaches your trailer, and the shock that's experienced by your trailer won't get transferred to your truck. This type of shock absorption system is easy to maintain. All you're going to have to do is apply grease to the grease zerks that are built in. And I'm going to see if you can see those there. We have one here, one here, one here, and one there. So they're going to be very easy to get to for that very easy maintenance. So no small parts to repair or replace, no airbags to fill, no hassle really. So I took some measurements before our time together just so you have a good idea of the size. The overall height, we're sitting pretty close to 17 inches. And then the overall length is about 15 1/8 inches. And the distance from the center of our first hitch pin hole to the center of our adjustment holes here, we're sitting at about 11 3/4 inches. And then you move over to the center of the second hitch pin hole, that's going to be about 12 3/4 inches. This is made here in the USA of a heavy-duty steel construction with a zinc primer and epoxy powder coat to help resist rust and corrosion. And as you probably know, Gen Y has a great reputation for building very solid, very robust products. It's hefty, it's well built, it's durable. A word that I hear used a lot about Gen Y products is they're overbuilt, and that's definitely the case with this. So if you're looking for a high-quality, durable, robust product, this is going to be exactly what you need if it fills the boxes, all those other boxes for you as well. Now, if you do pick this up, we would love to hear back from you regarding your experience with using it. You can share your experiences with us by dropping a comment or leaving a review on this product page. If you happen to have any other additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We do want to be sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, that's going to wrap up our quick look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.